What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to run a Python file in command prompt in Windows 10. So this video is assuming that you already have Python installed properly on your computer and the path is global so you can access it from command prompt. If you don't have this done, I have a video posted about how to do this, so I will link that in the description right now. But this is assuming you have everything working. So here we go. I have my Python file I want to run here, diffie-hellman.py. This is just for my encryption class in school, but this is the one I want to run. So I'm going to go to the bottom left here, click the start menu and type cmd. That'll search command prompt. So I'm going to open this. And this one is in my hard drive. So I have a solid state and a hard drive on this computer. You might not, so I'll show you another example after this without the hard drive, but this one's on my hard disk, so I'm going to do D. And then to get the file path for where this file is, on the top of the File Explorer, I'm going to right click and do copy address as text. And then I'm going to type CD, and then I'm going to do space and hit Control V to paste that whole file path. So now I'm in the file path I want, and now to run this Python file, all I have to do is type Python diffie-hellman.py. Boom. This little code snippet here in this Python file just will output this large shared secret. So that is how you run this file right here. And if you want to run it from somewhere else other than your hard drive, I'm just going to type C, bring it back to normal. Okay, I have it on my desktop here, as you can see. So how to get to the desktop? What you want to do is open up the File Explorer again, and then go right to desktop, and then go to the top here, copy address as text, same thing, and then do CD, and then Control V, boom. And now we are in desktop, and I can just do the same thing, Python diffie-hellman.py. Boom, runs it here. So that's how you do it in Windows 10. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.